Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to GLP-1 and how it promotes weight loss. In this video, we will explore the role of GLP-1 in weight loss and its benefits for beginners on their weight loss journey. GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, is a hormone naturally produced in the body. It plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, insulin production, and satiety. GLP-1 is known for its positive effects on weight loss. GLP-1 promotes weight loss through several mechanisms. Firstly, it helps reduce appetite by signaling the brain to feel full and satisfied. This can lead to decreased calorie intake. Additionally, GLP-1 slows down the emptying of the stomach, resulting in prolonged feelings of fullness after meals. Moreover, GLP-1 enhances insulin sensitivity, which can improve blood sugar control and prevent weight gain. Overall, these effects make GLP-1 an effective tool for weight loss. GLP-1 offers several benefits for beginners on their weight loss journey. It can help jumpstart weight loss by reducing appetite and promoting satiety. Additionally, GLP-1 may improve metabolic health as it enhances insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. It can also aid in achieving sustainable weight loss by promoting healthy eating habits and preventing weight regain. Incorporating GLP-1 into a beginner's weight loss plan can provide a valuable boost in their efforts. To summarize, GLP-1 is a hormone that plays a vital role in weight loss and overall metabolic health. It promotes weight loss by reducing appetite, increasing feelings of fullness, and enhancing insulin sensitivity. For beginners on their weight loss journey, incorporating GLP-1 into their plan can offer significant benefits. Consult with a healthcare professional to learn more about GLP-1 and how it can be utilized for weight loss.